We begin here, at the edge of comfort and curiosity. The rear entrance of H10 Timanfaya Palace Hotel opens not just to a coastal path, but to possibility. The morning light spills across the hotel. This is day one of our 11-day holiday, and it's time to explore and see what Lanzarote has to offer. This first leg of our walk is a gentle invitation, a short walk over the hill and down to Playa Flamingo. The coastal path unfurls ahead, hugging the shoreline like a whispered promise. Each step carries us further from the familiar, deeper into Lanzarote's rhythm. Well, before we start walking, Lisa spotted some brightly coloured red crabs on the rocks in the sea below, which shows that this area is alive with nature. I try to zoom in and get closer to the action with the Insta360 camera, but I'm just too far away. What a beautiful view with Montana Roa in the distance. We are so glad we chose this hotel. Well, let's get back to our walk, and you can see just how big and prominent our hotel is with its towers and turrets. It definitely looks like a palace. Oh, and did I not mention it's adults only? To our right, the Atlantic stretches wide and unbothered. To our left, the hotels. Whitewashed walls giving way to well-manicured gardens with water features and terraces with sun lounges for guests who want to escape for a little peace and quiet. The Insta360 captures it all. The sway of palm shadows, the shimmer of salt air. Nearly at the top of the hill, Now you can see on the left in the hotel grounds the crazy golf course for guests to enjoy a bit of fun and competition. Finally, we now approach and pass the back gate of the hotel, which gives you an idea of the scale of the Timanfaya Palace. It's huge. Playa Flamingo glows in the morning light. Calm waters lap against the shore, protected by breakwaters that cradle the bay. It's a place made for pause, for reflection, for breath. These guys had hired bikes from a shop in Playa Blanca to explore the island. They told us they paid €40 for the day, and they were electric bikes, which makes riding a doddle. This is Mirador en Playa Flamingo, a well-known lookout point with just a few 100 heart-shaped padlocks on the gate, which tells you this place is loved by many couples. We walk slowly now. The camera glides, capturing the way light dances on the water. A few swimmers move through the shallows. A dog barks in the distance. Life here feels unhurried. This was part one of our walk to Playa Blanca, a gentle descent into the soul of the island. From Timanfaya to Flamingo, we've walked not just a path, but a mood. And the journey has only just begun. Don't forget to like and subscribe for part 2 of this journey. I hope you have liked this video, and I hope to see you here again for the next installment, so have a nice day. It's beer o'clock. We find a bar, sit, listen, let the ambient sound take over. This view, this feeling, this quiet.